Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making chicken fried rice. You will need 1 pound of chicken breast, 2 cups of day-old rice, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of white onion, 1 scallion, 1/2 cup of bean sprouts, 1/4 cup of frozen peas and carrots, 4 tablespoons of canola oil, 1 clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Make sure your chicken has been cleaned and cut into bite-sized pieces. Season the chicken with your salt and pepper, then mix until well combined. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to your wok, then using medium heat, bring your wok to temperature. Now fry your egg. Remove the egg from the wok and set it aside until later. Now add the remaining 2 tablespoons of oil and bring your wok to temperature. Add your chicken and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove it from the pan and set it aside until later. Add the onion, garlic, and ginger and saute for 2 minutes. Now add the peas and carrots and continue to saute for an additional 3 minutes. Add your rice and return the chicken and egg to the wok and mix well. Now add the soy sauce, sesame oil, and oyster sauce and mix well. Add the bean sprouts and scallions and mix until well combined. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Well,